What is tarot? The history, symbolism, and modern uses. Tarot has long fascinated people around the world with its mysterious imagery and ability to inspire insight. Today, it is most often associated with divination and self discovery, but tarot's origins and uses are richer and more diverse than many realize. The origins of tarot. The tarot deck traces its roots back to the 15th century Europe, particularly in Italy, where it began as a set of playing cards. These ornate decks were commissioned by wealthy families and used for games similar to modern day bridge. Each card was filled with symbolic illustrations reflecting medieval life, virtues, and archetypes. It was not until the 18th century that the tarot took a mystical role. Scholars, occultists, and esoteric societies began to see the imagery as containing hidden wisdom. They connected the cards with astrology, numerology, the Hebrew, Kabbalah, and Hermetic philosophy. This period transformed tarot from a simple card game into a spiritual tool. One of the most influential decks in modern times is the Rider-Waite-Smith Tarot, created in 1909 by artist Pamela Colman Smith under the guidance of mystic A.E. Waite. This deck popularized the imagery most people associate with tarot today, particularly in the minor arcana scenes that illustrate everyday human experiences. The structure of the tarot deck. A traditional tarot deck consists of 78 cards divided into two parts. The major arcana, the 22 cards, these cards depict archetypal figures like profound life lessons, such as the Fool, the Lovers, Death. They represent spiritual growth and pivotal life experience. These are major shifts and changes happening in your life. The minor arcana, which are 56 cards, are divided into four suits, often wands, cups, swords, and pentacles, with numbered cards and court cards. They reflect everyday situations, relationships, challenges, and opportunities. They focus on those day-to-day experiences. Together, the deck mirrors the journey of life, both the ordinary and the extraordinary. The uses of tarot. Tarot is a versatile tool with many applications depending on how it is approached. It can be for divination and guidance. Tarot is often used to gain insight into current situations, potential outcomes, and hidden influences. Readers don't see the cards as predicting a fixed future, but rather as reflecting energies, choices, and patterns that shape one's path. The cards can also be used for self reflection and personal growth. Many people use tarot for journaling, meditation, and inner exploration. The imagery and symbolism can unlock subconscious wisdom, helping individuals to uncover truths about themselves and their circumstances. It can also be used for spiritual growth and ritual. Tarot can be incorporated into spiritual ceremonies, moon rituals, or seasonal practices. The cards serve as gateways to archetypal energies, offering connections to higher wisdom and universal themes. It can also be used for creative expression. Writers, artists, and creators often turn to tarot for inspiration. The cards, archetypes, and imageries can spark new ideas, characters, or storylines. The power of the tarot today. While tarot has sometimes been misunderstood as merely fortune telling, its true power lies in the ability to reflect the human experience. It bridges intuition and symbolism, offering a mirror for self awareness. Whether used by seasonal practitioners or curious beginners, tarot remains a timeless tool for insight, healing, and empowerment.